What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Hamburglar from McDonald's. Now I want to begin today's lesson at the top of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. Start from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom of our circle, and then pull that back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we're going to line at the top, and we want to bring that down towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. Let's add two smaller circles in the center of each eye for the pupils. And then we'll fill the centers in black. Now let's move to the center and draw the bottom edge of the nose. We're going to start on the left, curve this down, and then back up. Let's move out to the side and pull in the cheeks. We're going to start on the left, bend this in, and then out. Go to the right, and do the same thing. Now along the left side, we're just going to bend the mouth coming down underneath the nose, and back up. Let's go back over towards the left side, draw the bottom of the mouth. We're going to come down, and then up. Now I'm going to place the teeth in the center. Start with two lines coming down, and then go across the bottom. Let's add a curve in behind the teeth, going up and in for the tongue. And I'll fill that top area in black. Now just underneath the lip, we're going to draw a curve coming down and then up. Now from here, we're going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the left eye, let's step out. It's going to curve down, pull this in underneath the lip, go across, and then bend that up towards the right. Let's pull this up towards the hat with a straight line. And we'll close off the top with a curve, going up the middle, and then we'll bend that back down. I'm going to add some hair coming down in the middle. Let's start on top of the left eye, curve this down and across, and go back up, come down towards the right eye, and pull that up underneath the edge of the hat. Let's add some hair along the side, curving down and then out. Now from here we draw the bottom edge of the mask. Let's start in between the left eye and the nose. We're going to curve this up and then down. Let's go back over toward the left side. We're going to curve this down around the cheek, go up and just tuck that up underneath the hair. Let's go to the right, come down, around, and then in. Let's add two large ears along the side. From the top corner, we're going to step down, curve around, down, and then in like a half circle, and line that up on the right. Let's add a fold along the top of the ear, curving up and then down. Now above the head, we're going to draw the front edge of the hat brim. Let's go all the way over towards the left. We're going to bend this up, come down towards the right, round this out, and just pull that up. Let's go back to the left side. Just going to round this out and pull that in towards the side of the ear. Now you want to do the same thing on the right. Just going to round this out, come down, and then in. Now we're going to draw on the top of the hat. We're going to line up at the side of the head above the hat brim, angle this up and in towards the top. Do the same thing on the right. Now let's close off the top with a curve. Let's add in the hat brim. Starting back over on the left, bend this up, across, and then down. Now I'm going to switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of the mask. Now with the head complete, let's move to the center and draw on the tie. We're going to start from the sides, angle this down and in, leaving a gap in the middle, and close off the bottom with a straight line. Let's move up, draw another line going across the top of the knot. I'm just going to trace these two lines along the inside. Let's go to the bottom corners of the knot. We're just going to flare this out, coming down and then out. And we'll pull this back down and then in towards the center point. Let's layer another tie underneath. From these 2 points, step down, come down and out, and then pull that back in towards the center point. Now going back up to the top, move out to the side, draw the body, going out and then down towards the hips. Now I want to curve the hip going in behind the tie. Let's go back up to the top and add the collar of the cape. Starting up here, going up and out, and bend that out towards the side. And bend this up and in behind the head. Now I want to add some stripes inside the body. From the hips, we're going to step up, start with the bottom curve, going down and in behind the tie. Let's leave that same size gap and work our way up towards the top. Now we're going to come down towards the bottom of the tie, angle the legs, coming down and out towards the inside of the knees. And then bend the legs, coming in and then down towards the heels. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curve the foot, coming down and then up. Let's go back to the outside left foot. We're going to curve this up. And I want to bend this down, aiming towards the heel. And then we'll just curl it back up on the inside. Now I want to go back up to the hips and draw the outside leg. Let's start with the left. And bend this out and then down towards the knee. And then bend this out and down on top of the feet. Let's add a thick sole on the bottom of the feet. We're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across. And then we're going to add a toe cap. Starting from the top of the foot, bend this in and then down. Now I'm going to add some stripes across the leg. From the bottom on the left, step up, bend this up and then down. And then from the inside of the knee, bend this up and then out. Let's add a couple more lines going up towards the hip. Starting from the left knee, bend this in and then down. And do that one more time. Step up, go in behind the side of the tie. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start halfway down the side of the body. So on the end of this line in the middle, then the arm going out and down towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Let's curl 3 fingers around on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, come down and out, and then back up around that bracket. Add the second finger, and then the third finger, we're going to go all the way around, just tuck that up underneath the head. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to separate the wrist with a curve, going up and then out. And then from the wrist, we're going to add some stripes, working our way back up towards the top. So we're going to step up, add the first curve, leave a gap, and do that 2 more times along the top. Now I'm going to layer the cape in behind the body. Let's start from the index finger, bend the cape coming down and then out on both sides. Bend this down and in towards the side of the leg. Now I want to continue this curve in between the legs and that tie. and we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw the Hamburglar from McDonald's. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. If you really want to discover your artistic potential, then join our Club Masterclass membership. For just $1 a month, you'll gain instant access to exclusive members-only drawing tutorials, virtual art camps, and much, much more. Join our thriving community of passionate artists just like you and let your creativity soar. So just click that link in the description, and I'll see you in the club.